Hey YouTube, today I'm adding some blue light in the interior of the truck. I'm gonna use both sides. It's gonna light the flooring using this, bought from Amazon. Already plugged that one to the wire. I'm gonna fish it from driver's side and do the other light on that wire, and I will use the same circuit I used for my dash cam, so as soon as I'm gonna start the truck, it's gonna light up. Okay, so here it is. I fished it with this piece of metal wire, attach the wire to it, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna put that blue LED on this metal part here and wire those two wires. I'm gonna go through that hole just like that, and after that the wiring is gonna go here, and I'm gonna go in the fuse box where my dash cam is connected. So as soon as I'm gonna start the engine, the lights are gonna light up. Okay, so ready to stick it there. Just like that. No screws, just 3M tapes. This is driver's side, where the heat comes out. I have put it under with 2 screws in plastic going through there. Okay, so basically the wiring coming from under, going to the fuse box. I'm using the exact same circuit I'm using for my webcam. So yellow wire is my webcam and yellow wire is for the LED lighting, and I'm using the same spot for the ground that I'm using this little black wire for the webcam. So soon I'm gonna start the truck, lighting will be on. And as you can notice, I've put some shrink on these connector, so there's not gonna make any shorts if it touch any metal here, but there's none. But just to be careful and making sure nothing wrong is gonna happen, just have to tie wrap everything there, and I'm done. Okay, so now everything is secured. Can put the fuse box panel back, and time to start it up. There you go. Okay, here we go. So this is how it looks like at night. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down there, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.